Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open your Google Sheet and select the exact range you want validated. Then choose Data and Data Validation from the menu options. Use one of three common criteria: list, number, or custom formula to control entries. For a list, choose either comma-separated items or a reference range. For numbers, choose a range like 1 to 100 or greater than 0. For custom formulas, use expressions like equals len, a1, less or equal 10 to limit characters precisely. Create a drop-down list by typing items separated with commas like red, blue, green, or reference a separate range for dynamic lists that update automatically. Enforce numeric limits with a rule such as between 1 and 100 or greater than 0. For dates, require a date within specific bounds, like after 1/1/2020 and before 12/31/2025. Use checkboxes for true-false entries when you need a binary choice. To change rules, select the range and reopen data validation to edit or remove a rule. Use show warning when you want to allow but flag invalid entries. Use reject input to block incorrect values entirely and force correct data. Copy validation rules to other cells using the Paint Format tool or Paste Special and choose validation only. Audit validations by filtering for invalid entries and fix issues with consistent rules across sheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.